Today I'm going to make apple jam with my mother. First cut the apples in pieces. Now take a beetroot and cut it into pieces, or you can grate it also. Now add some water. Now cover it. Now add some jaggery powder. Then you mix it up. Now cover it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now remove the lid and grind it with hand grinder. Add lemon juice now. Now put in the container and keep it for 1 or 2 weeks.
Wow!